What is your name?
My name is Elizabeth.
Where are you from?
I am from the United States.
Where do you live?
I live in California.
What's your job?
I am a journalist.
Do you live with your parents?
No, I am married.
Do you live in a house or an apartment?
I live in a house.
What's your favorite city?
My favorite city is San Francisco.
Where do you go on Sunday?
I go to the cinema with my friends.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite colors are blue and black.
What do you do in your free time?
I go hiking and camping.
What are you doing?
I am doing my homework.
Where is your mom?
She is watching TV in the living room.
Where is your dad?
He is working right now.
Where is your brother?
He is traveling.
What are you looking for?
I am looking for my keys.
Are you free tonight?
I am going to visit my family.
What will you do tomorrow?
I will work tomorrow.
Where do you go on holiday?
I travel to Australia.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is toad in the hole.
Do you drink coffee?
Yes, I drink coffee and tea.
What is your favorite sport?
My favorite sport is basketball.
Where did you go yesterday?
I went to the supermarket.
Did you buy the house?
Yes, I bought the house last weekend.
Have you been to Canada?
I have been to Canada twice.
What do you do for a living?
I am a journalist.